know that how FieldsMaster company looks like. And one, this smaller one is the latest version that we use. Ideal material for the children playground. This EPDM granules is very soft. And let's have a look. So the top layer is EPDM granules, you can see. And you know, for the color, FieldsMaster can just customize your unique IC test. It's more difficult to pass. Yes, I totally agree. How FieldsMaster is doing to ensure this. Let's go. It has enough capacity and capability to ensure and guarantee. Okay, do you got the answer? So yes, it's 31.